20 action verbs for beginners.
I'm shopping. I'm shopping. I'm watching the window. I'm watching the window. I am playing football. Playing football. I am sewing clothes. I am sewing clothes. I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. I am praying. I am praying. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am crawling. I am crawling. I am pushing grandpa. I am pushing grandpa. I am kicking the toys. I am kicking the toys. I am picking up the toys. I am picking up the toys. I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table. I am farming. I am farming. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am washing dishes. I am washing dishes. I am cutting paper. I am cutting paper. I am riding bicycle. I am riding bicycle. I am sweeping. I am sweeping. I am playing guitar. I am playing guitar.